In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to master beat in Flstudio using the Fruity Clipper and the Fruity Limiter. I asked a question in my community and they responded with this. I know it's an error, but I understand you want to learn how to master beat, and I'm going to show you all in just using these 2 steps. Before we start mastering, I'm just going to play the beat for you all and turn off the master chain. Alright guys, let's get to it guys. Quick, that video gonna be very short. And as well can I have the flu. So I'm trying my best to make this video for you all. And here is my master tracks, the Fruity Soft Clipper and the Fruity Limiter. I didn't do anything on the Fruity Soft Clipper. I leave it as it is. I think I just boost again. I mean, that's the only thing I did. Boost again, and that's my limiter. I didn't touch the attack. I left the release the same, the sustain the same. Only thing I did was the saturation. I put it up for like -1. So therefore, when the signal hits -1 on the Fruity Limiter, it starts to distort the signal. Now let's play the beat with the mastering chain on, and you'll hear the difference. Listen. Yeah man, so you already the difference how it's much louder, the it much punchy. And let's do a side-to-side reference quick. Let's do AB. So you'll turn off the master effects and turn on. Turn off first. Turn on. And guys, it's simple as that. That's how I master my beat. And there's one thing I have to tell you all: mastering won't make your beat better. Mixing, most important, is mixing. If you're mixing good, trust me, no matter what you do in a master, you won't get the amount of loudness that you need. You need the right amount of space, the right amount of frequency range in the mixing, so that you'll be able to get a good master. I master beats because I upload to YouTube. If you send it to an artist, you don't need to master. Mastering a song or mastering a beat, that's 2 different things. So guys, see you next time. Like my video, comment, and if anything else you would like me to do to show you all, comment below. Pick up yourself, Joe Beat Slab. I'm out.